We're inside a cave, like actually inside a cave. That's the Atlantic Ocean right there. When people think about Barbados, they always think about white, powdery, sandy beaches, and that's pretty true if you go to the west coast and south coast of the island. But if you really want spectacular views, rugged cliffs, huge waves, open spaces, you gotta come to the north coast and the east coast of the island. So right now we're at River Bay. We're climbing to the top of a cliff. This is one of my favorite places in all of Barbados. There's a rainstorm coming across the water. We're literally seeing it. It's about to hit us 30 seconds more, I would say. And we're in the middle of nowhere. There's no escape right now. Here it comes. Woo! That's the rainstorm of the victory! This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now, we know. Look at that. We got some blue sky. It's right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for. Today we're on the east coast of Barbados and we are hiking up the side of what's kind of like a mountain. It's not really a mountain, but we're hiking up the side of Chalky Mount.
Stop my mommy.
The view is
Auntie
unreal.
Dominique.
That's Auntie Dominique. So our tour guides for the day are my cousin Christian and his girlfriend Brittany. Here they are. Hi guys. Brittany is Bawa Yoga. You guys got to check out her site. I'll link it down below. What is it?
It's almost like glass.
It's almost like glass? Yeah, clay, right? That's what I was describing to you. Clay? Yeah.
Clay. Clay.
Clay, yeah, clay. They take the clay out of the mountain
Yeah.
and they put some water with it and they mix it around
Yeah.
and then they put it in the oven and they bake it. And then after they bake it, it gets hard, just like glass. What is it? What did you see, Jonah?
Camel.
A camel? Are you sure?
Camel poop.
A camel poop? Oh my goodness.
Oh, the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything.
We're walking along a cliff edge right now in search of the secret cave. This is like one of the most remote places I think you can imagine in Barbados. Jonah fell asleep in the car, so Trace is staying in the car with him until he wakes up. I think Christian seems to have found something. That's where we're going, guys. Down in there. Look at that. Is that our cave? That's our cave. This is so cool. Jackson, you want to go in the cave? Yeah? No?
If you want Jess, I can hold Jackson, but you could go in as well and just.
Are you guys not going in?
That's out the sea.
Oh yeah, yeah. There we go.
Good boy!
I don't know if Jackson loves it or hates it.
He's getting used to it.
Have you been here before? There we go! This is sick! waves are not small. She is the one who found this cave.
I'm the adventurer.
How you doing, buddy? You like this cave? Give Auntie Dominique a bump, fist bump.
Look at this, guys. Sorry, so how many people know about this place?
A few, so you have to keep it quiet. It's a secret.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's starting to rain.
Go after your dreams, crazy as they may seem. Go chase all the stars in the sky. Baby, I'll be paving the runway, 'cause I know that one day you're gonna fly.
Max wants to do the free dive. He wants to do the free dive? He wants to do the free dive, Nick, but he did yesterday. Now it's your turn, buddy. Good job, buddy. You're so heavy, buddy. He didn't hit you. You hit him on the tail. So sorry.
Go after your dreams,
Thanks.
crazy as they may seem.
Why you got your phone? You're reading the whole time?
Stars in the sky.
I don't know.
Darling, stand on my shoulders, up where it's carefree, simple and good. Baby, soon you'll be older, you will reach higher than I ever could. If ever your wings are tired and broken things, can't see through the tears in your eyes, baby, I'll be paving the runway, 'cause I know that one day you're gonna fly.